You know that tense moment before a big exam when everyone is pretending to be confident, but deep down they are terrified. That's what happens in Act 5, Scene 1. In Act 4, we saw two storylines running side by side. In Rome, Antony, Octavius and Lepidus, they drew up by hit lists of their enemies and are prepared for war. In Sardis, Cassius and Brutus, the leaders of the conspirators, had a fierce argument but finally reconciled. That act ended with the ghost of Caesar visiting Brutus at night, warning him, "Thou shalt see me at Philippi." So as Act 5 begins, both armies have arrived at Philippi, the final battlefield where all of Rome's conflicts will come for the fight. So the scene opens on the plains near Philippi. Antony and Octavius Caesar enter with their army ready for action. So they discuss strategy. Antony wants to fight on the right, but Octavius insists on taking that position himself. So this short disagreement hints at tension and pride between the two. Soon, Brutus and Cassius arrive with their army to talk before the battle. The two sides exchange very sharp and sarcastic insults. Brutus accuses Antony of manipulating the crowd after Caesar's death. Cassius mocks Octavius for being young and inexperienced. So this conversation, it quickly turns bitter and finally both sides realize diplomacy is pointless. After Antony and Octavius leave, Brutus and Cassius have a quite emotional moment together, sensing this might be their last day alive. So they say their farewells. Cassius admits he's ready for death if fate demands it. Brutus says he's content with whatever destiny awaits him. Now they part with mutual respect, two friends preparing to fight, possibly for the last time. Now why this scene matters is it's the calm before the storm. The final confrontation between Caesar's killers and his avengers, we see that both sides are fractured. Antony and Octavius don't fully trust each other, and Brutus and Cassius are haunted by guilt and fate. So the mood is dark, fatal and full of tension. Everyone knows the battle will decide not just who rules Rome, but who survives. Stay tuned to know what happened next in my next video. Like and subscribe to my channel Beauty of Language for more updates.